Hi there and welcome to this review on Offerlab. Offerlab is a new marketplace by Russell Brunson, and I'm going to walk you through on this presentation on this new marketplace. Is it worthwhile for affiliate marketing? Welcome to this video and let's get right into it. Okay, so Offerlab review is Russell Brunson's marketplace, the future of affiliate marketing. So in this video review on Offerlab, we're going to cover a couple of topics. Is it a scam? How does it work? Is it worth buying into? And are there better alternatives? Stick around right up to the end of this video because I'm going to give you all the information that you're going to need to make an informed decision about Offerlab. But I also have a free gift for you, especially if you are someone who is looking to get started with making money online. Okay, so what exactly is Offerlab all about? Alright, so Offerlab is Russell Brunson's affiliate marketplace. It's designed to connect your product creators with affiliates who can promote their offers. It's kind of like ClickBank or JVZoo, but with a stronger focus on high converting funnels, marketing support, and community. The ultimate goal of Offerlab is to give affiliates proven products to promote while giving creators a trusted platform to scale. So the core products are digital offers, affiliate marketing programs, training and marketplace tools. The core industry is online business and affiliate marketing. And the core business model is connecting creators with affiliates through a marketplace that drives exposure, sales, and commissions. Okay, so you might be asking now, how does the Offerlab program actually work? Well, very simply, you join Offerlab and it's free to join. And I have put a link in the video description if you want to check it out. And then as a creator, you can list any of your digital offers on the marketplace. Then you can also sell products. And as affiliates, you can browse, you can get to choose which offers that you want to fit that is in line with your niche or your audience. And then as an affiliate, you can earn commissions after browsing and choosing. You can choose to promote multiple offers that can fit your audience, and then eventually you can get paid by selling multiple products. Okay, so here we are at my website, Passive Income for All, and I've written a detailed review on the Offerlab marketplace. So feel free to check it out. I have put a link in the video description. Now, I want to show you something that Russell gave a really brilliant example of the purpose of his Offerlab marketplace. And he says, you have various situations, right? And various collaborators come together on his platform promoting different products within the same niche. So one of the examples he gave was the yoga niche, where a teacher who helps yoga beginners who have never stepped on a yoga mat before, right? Then someone who specializes in making recycled yoga cork blocks. Then another collaborator specializes in ultra plush yoga mats, and then someone who else who runs yoga retreats. So all of these different creators or collaborators come together on the same Offerlab platform. You got an option of choosing all of these different products, putting it into one simple funnel and promoting it on your website or your channel or wherever it is. And what happens is you can earn multiple commissions. An example would be, I'm an affiliate for Jonathan Montoya. He's one of the most successful affiliate marketers and online entrepreneurs. So I promote 3 of his offers, and I have one simple funnel to promote these offers. I'm going to take you into Offerlab, and you're going to see exactly how it works. For example, the first offer that I promote, there's a $40 commission, 40% commission where I earn $2. Then there's an AI Freedom Launchpad, that's where I earn $38. And then the big one is a high ticket one where I earn $798. So Let me take you inside Offerlab and you'll see exactly how it works. Okay, so here we are inside Offerlab, right? So this is my account. It's a brand new account. So there's nothing that I've promoted or started promoting as yet, but I have created a an offer here, which was the Jonathan Montoya one. Anyway, so when you come to the home page, here you will just see all your offers. Like I said, at the moment I don't have anything. And here you can explore various options. If you go to the marketplace, you will find that you can promote various different products across different categories, different genres, different niches. And here you can sell e-commerce products. So these are physical products if you want to promote any physical products. And as you can see, you can promote in the automotive industry, the pet industry, arts, collectibles, and you can also promote digital products. And this is also across various different niches, virtual workshops, vision to legacy, eco-ride, podcasts. Then you can promote courses and coaches. And they also have a cool community forum, which I haven't joined as yet, but you can just click here on join group. And this is Russell Brunson talking to you about this collaboration program or community program, which is hosted on school.com. And then I want to also show you the process to go about applying for products. The cool part is some of these products, in fact, most of these products, you don't have to actually buy them if you want to promote them. So you simply just have to ask for and you simply have to apply for it. So yeah, I'm in the messages, and this is one of Tim Hewitt's products that I wanted to promote. It's called 3-day potty training for grandparents, and as you can see, my request has been approved for that. Here is another creator that I have been approved to promote there. I said I would like the opportunity to promote your course. Thank you for your interest. And my request has been approved there as well. And this, of course, is the last one, which is Jonathan Montoya's products, where I've been approved to promote his products as well. So when I click on sell, this is what I've showed you on my website, where I can promote various products of a certain creator, or I can bundle them together into a single funnel. And as you can see, those are offer 1, offer 2, offer 3, and then you can have your order summary and you can modify the funnel. And once it's all activated, then you can just click on publish. So that's basically how Offerlab works in a nutshell. So is the Offerlab system a scam? No, Offerlab is not a scam. It's a legit company that has Russell Brunson as the founder, who is a household name. The marketplace is transparent and clearly outline product details as I showed you, the pricing, affiliate terms. On top of that, it has an active support and a community of reputable affiliates already using the platform. So it makes it a legitimate option for both creators and marketers that are looking to grow their online business. Okay, so now let's talk about the good parts and bad parts of the Offerlab program. The good part is that it's by a trusted founder. It's created by Russell Brunson, who is a respected online marketing expert. It's also affiliate friendly. As you've seen, it's very easy to choose what products you want to promote. You just have to speak to the creator and get his approval. So it's easy for affiliates to find and promote offers, and it's very easy to see what sort of commissions you'll be getting if you decide to promote them. And there's a lot of growth opportunities, and the marketplace helps both creators and affiliates to increase their visibility and sales. Let's take a look at some of the bad parts about the program. Is that first of all, it's a new platform, so it's still growing. So unlike other marketplaces, they don't have that many products, but you should definitely stick around with this platform because there are much more features and products. It will be coming soon, so at the moment it is limited. There's a lot of competitions. Affiliates may face competition promoting popular offers, but then again, this is with any affiliate marketing business or online business that you go through. And there's obviously a learning curve where beginners may need some time to fully understand the marketplace and marketing strategies. And so now it's time for my final verdict on Offerlab. Offerlab is a legitimate and promising marketplace for both creators and affiliates. With Russell Brunson at the helm, it provides transparency, affiliate-friendly features, and growth opportunities. While it's still new and has a learning curve for beginners, the platform is a solid choice, in my opinion, for anyone looking to expand their online business and earn commissions. Okay, so before I leave you, by the way, that concludes our Offerlab review. I want to leave you with my number one recommendation if you are thinking of getting started online, and that is, of course, high ticket affiliate marketing. And this is a business model where you sell other people's products for $1,000 or higher. Now, what are some of the benefits of high ticket affiliate marketing? First of all, there's no recruiting that's necessary. You don't need to worry about after sales, customer support, or customer queries. You don't have to own your own product. You can choose which products you want to promote. It's 100% online, so you can work from anywhere in the world. You can choose your hours, whether it's full time or part time. There are low startup costs. It's a beginner friendly model, so you don't need any experience to start. Of course, you have to follow through with training, right? So it's a beginner model to learn and to execute. You don't have to focus on turning high volume to reach your income goal. Remember, I said, since it's high ticket affiliate marketing, you only have to sell one or two or three products depending on the commissions you can earn and also depending on what your income goal is. Other benefits is that it has have passive income earning potential. You can get to a point where you're earning a significant income, and this is where you can decide whether you want to quit your 9 to 5 or you want to go or you want to stick with your normal day job. It's totally up to you. And you can create a life on your terms where you can earn both time and location freedom. Now, the big question is, how do you get started? You might be asking yourself, and the answer is by claiming my free gift. This is a gift that I told you about in the beginning of this video. It is access to a free online course. You don't need a credit card to sign up. You'll see proof that this online course does work and it is helping people to earn online, and you also get some of my free cool bonuses. So thanks so much for checking out my Offerlab review. I hope that has helped you out. If you want to claim my free gift, it is waiting for you in my pinned comment, and feel free to like and subscribe to this channel to keep up to date on what's happening in the world of online business. Thank you so very much, and I look forward to checking out my next video. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Take care and goodbye.